Compare the graph of y equals f of x to the graph of y equals x squared, then graph y equals f of x. So part A, we're given f of x is equal to the quantity x minus 1 squared. So how will this graph compare to the graph of y equals x squared? Because of the minus 1 in parentheses with x, this graph will be shifted 1 unit to the right. So we'll take the points of x squared and shift them 1 unit to the right. So looking at the graph, we know that the point 0, 0 is on x squared. We're going to shift it to the right 1 unit. We know that the point 1, 1 is a point on the graph of y equals f of x. We'll shift it to the right 1 unit. We know that negative 1, 1 is on x squared. Move it to the right 1 unit. We know that 2, 4 is a point on x squared. Move it to the right 1 unit. And finally, negative 2, 4 is a point on y equals x squared, and we'll move it to the right 1 unit. And now we'll draw our parabola. And there's the graph for part A. Part B, we have f of x equals x squared minus 2, and the effect of this minus 2 will be to move all of the points of x squared down 2 units. So what would that graph look like? The point 0, 0 is on x squared. We'll move it down 2 units. 1, 1, move it down 2 units. Negative 1, 1, down 2 units. 2, 4 will move down 2 units. And negative 2, 4 will move down 2 units. And we'll connect these dots with a parabola. And this gives us the graph of part B. Part C, we have f of x equals 1/2 times the quantity x minus 3 squared plus 2. And we have 3 transformations going on. We're going to move the graph up 2 units, to the right 3 units, and the 1/2, we're going to multiply the y coordinates by 1/2, making the parabola wider. So take the point 0, 0, which we know is on x squared, multiply the y coordinate by 1/2, that stays 0, and we'll move the point 0, 0, right 3 up 2. Right 3 up 2. We know the point 1, 1 is on x squared, so we'll take the y coordinate of 1 multiplied by 1/2, we get 1/2. So now we're at 1, 1/2, and we'll move it right 1, 2, 3 up 2. And then using symmetry, we know that that point must be a point on f of x. The point 2, 4, which is on x squared, we'll take that y coordinate, cut it in half, that puts us at 2, 2. We'll move it to the right 3, up 2, and then again use our symmetry, and we'll connect those dots with a parabola. So there's the graph of part C.